Whether you're prepping timber for fine joinery or just cleaning up rough stock, the Triton TPT125 gives you control, consistency, and a flawless finish. The TPT125 Thicknesser with its powerful 1100 watt motor is designed to give you clean, accurate and repeatable results with no fuss. With a large foldable in-feed and out-feeds, the TPT125 is capable of supporting longer workpieces with a table size of 317 by 600 mm, making it very versatile, allowing you to plane anything from battens to boards. Use the crank handle on top to adjust the depth of the cut, using the scale on the in-feed side for precise adjustments. With a maximum cutting depth of 2.4 mm in a single pass and a capacity of 150 mm, you'll be able to work with a range of timbers. The dual blades of the TPT125 drum are reversible, giving you twice the lifetime out of one set. Where they do eventually become dull, simply swap them around using the magnets housed on the back of the TPT125. Spinning at 17,500 revolutions per minute gives a clean cut and consistent smooth finish. The roller on top of the tool supports longer timbers being manoeuvred back to the in-feed, helping maintain a fluid workflow. To increase rigidity, the cutter head is supported by a 4-post column design. This helps with accurate depth setting, ensuring reliable results. Thicknessers produce a lot of waste chips, so dust extraction is key. The TPT125 has a dust extraction port on the back that can be set up to the left or right to seamlessly fit into your vac setup, with 48 mm inner and 53 mm dust extraction diameters. 4 locating holes are positioned on the corners for secure bench mounting, creating a more stable working environment. The Triton TPT125 has an 1100 watt motor, delivers 17,500 cuts per minute, with a feed speed of over 8.5 meters per minute, has a max planing width of 317 millimeters, and can remove 2.4 millimeters in a single pass, a planing height of 3.2 to 152 millimeters, and a no-load speed of 8,750 revolutions per minute. Whether you're a home woodworker, setting up a small workshop, or just need a reliable solution for timber prep, the TPT125 repeatedly gives you the ability to accurately control the thickness of your material. It's compact enough to store away, but tough enough to handle repeated use, and it's ready to take your workshop to the next level.